So today I will be talking about selecting a reliable source to gather information from in the classroom. I will be tying this into my personal theme of current events and politics in the classroom because to gather information to research in class, you must make sure that your students are using reliable resources to get their information. This short presentation will show how you can make it easier for students to pick out reliable and trustworthy resources. You should first help students avoid social media. While Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook may be the easiest online platforms for your students to access, remind them that they are also the easiest platforms to receive false information from. Encourage use of news websites. Encourage students to gather information from websites such as CNN or Fox. Remind them that while the news stations might be biased, they are more likely to be accurate than any social media platforms.